Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another video, and today we've got another headphone video, and I know tons of you like these videos judging by how many views my headphone comparisons and my headphone unboxings have gotten. I'm going to be going over the style, the comfort, and sound quality of these two headphones, which all those categories are one of the most important things when buying headphones. So today we're going to be comparing these bad boys, the recently unboxed Tzumi wireless headphones here, and the champions here that I've done an unboxing of about almost a year now, which is the returning champions, the Avantree's HS063 wireless headsets here. Now before I actually get on to the comparison, let's get the price out of the way on these two headphones. And now the Tzumis, when I was trying to look for the website or for these headphones specifically with the portable charger, they didn't actually have the exact model with the portable charger, but this one does retail for $30 or on Amazon for $25. Now these bad boys right here is a different story. These are supposed to be more premium, more of the budget range, but also more of the premium range. These retail for $40 on Amazon, and so they're not too far apart. I believe I said these were $25. You can find them even cheaper in other markets, $20 or even lower for these headphones right here. Now, I'm going to be going over different. So first I'm going to go over comfort on both of these headphones. It's something that's really important, especially if you're going to be using these headphones for long periods of time. You're going to want to know if these are comfortable over periods of time. Now starting with the Avantree, which I'm going to go over first, let's put these bad boys to the side. Now these, as you know, I've done many comparison videos with these headphones specifically. I've compared them to the iJoys. I've compared these to a lot, so much that I forgot the rest of the headphones I've compared it to. So comfort. Comfort-wise, guys, I've had these for over a year, less than a year coming up, and these headphones are extremely comfortable. Over periods of time, these do not start to hurt your ears. That's the problem with other headphones that I've had, especially the iJoy logo headphones. Those did have a bit of strain on my ears after a couple hours of use. Now these right here, these have more comfort. I mean, you are paying for comfort and for style and everything, and these don't disappoint. These definitely have plenty of comfort. As you can see here, it's pretty thick here in terms of the comfort, so when you put it around your ears here, it fits perfectly because the shape isn't a completely circular, so it's more like an oval shape, so it fits your ears nice and comfortable. This right here is pretty good, the comfort. Now let's go to these and see how these stack up against these. So these right here, I've had these for about 2 weeks now, and these right here, I have pretty good experience with these. Now after a couple hours of use, these, I do gotta say, these do get a little tiring on your ears, just because, as you can see here, the ear cup is actually much smaller than what we have on the Avantrees here. As you can see the difference here, this one is just much more fit for your ears. You can see it just goes completely around. These are just circular, and when you put them on, as you can see, my ear kind of just comes out here, and it just gets kind of uncomfortable, especially after hours of use. So for comfort, I'm gonna have to give it to the Avantrees for this round. I mean, you guys know these are the champions in terms of comfort. They're just so comfortable. And now, guys, another important category, which is style. Now, it isn't as important as sound quality, but style is something you're going to want to, look at when picking up some headphones, especially when they're premium or cheap. Now, first up, the Avantrees here. Now, I've talked about these in the past, that they're pretty simple to design, which a lot of you might like. I personally like that simple matte black design, which these have. And as you can see here, pretty simple, obviously black, nothing really. You do have some branding on the side, but that's pretty much it. We're going to have to see how it stacks up to these. Now these right here, these, as you can see, definitely stand out much more, just because they have this gold accent around the headphones, around the ear cup, and around, the buttons. So as you can see, obviously not real gold, definitely not. These right here definitely stand out more on the crowd compared to these, just because they have a little bit more of a pop to it. And so you can see when I put them on, they definitely stand out more. And if you're that kind of person that doesn't like your headphones to stand out, these definitely are the ones to go for. Now personally for me, I'm gonna have to give these two a tie because it depends on how I'm gonna use these. Let's say I'm going to like a party and I don't know, for example, if I bring these to a party, which I usually don't, but for example, let's say you're the kind of person who likes to use headphones at a party, but you don't like to stand out in front of the crowd. These are definitely not the ones for you. I would definitely go for these. But personally, I think I'm gonna have to give it to these, just because, like I said before, just the simpleness of these headphones just wins me over. Now to the most important category, which is sound quality. Sound quality is definitely really up there, and it's definitely the most important thing when buying headphones. It's even higher than comfort. Now first up, the Avantrees here. Like I said, I've had these for a pretty long time, so I can't tell you how good these sound. And guys, I do gotta say, these sound extremely good, especially for this price. The bass is there, definitely does distort at higher volumes, but it's expected. These are $40. They're not $300, $200 headphones. Now, as you can see, right here, these headphones, as you can see, they're not extremely high quality. You can definitely tell they're not going to be the most best sounding thing out there. Now, I do have to say, the bass is definitely there on these guys. When you are listening to bass heavy stuff, these definitely have you covered. Over to these Tzumi headphones. These right here, definitely where it lacks in the department of audio. Now, these compared to the Avantrees just don't sound as good. Like I said, I've had these for about 2 weeks now, and the headsets, guys, definitely just sound quality just isn't there. Definitely when you turn up the volume, even when it's at medium volume, it starts to distort, and that's something you really don't want, especially when you're the kind of person that likes to use their headphones at maximum volume. These definitely aren't it. So in terms of sound quality, I'm going to have to give the winner once again to the Avantrees here, just because overall, just sounds so much better. Now, for the conclusion for both of these headsets, which one should you pick up and which one shouldn't you not pick up? Now, it depends on the kind of person you are. If you're the kind of person that likes to stand out, doesn't want to spend too much, get these headsets, the Tzumis, definitely a major go. Now, if you're the kind of person that has a higher budget, wants to spend a little more, doesn't want to stand out of the crowd, likes the simplistic design of these, go for these. Now, I can't really pick one over the other. Like I said, it depends on the kind of person you are. But personally, I'm going to have to give the overall winner to the Avantrees. These are definitely the champions. I think they beat all my headphones in the past, actually. So these guys I definitely recommend. Not to say that I don't recommend these. I would recommend going to the store if they have these on display and trying them out for yourselves, because, on the website, it could look like they sound great, but in reality, they really don't. So you guys, that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison between the Avantree HS063 headphones and the Tzumi wireless headphones here. I'll definitely drop the link to both of these bad boys down below so you guys can check them out for yourselves. Maybe you guys will even pick up both. I don't know. Definitely worth picking up both. So don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe down below. We're at 99 subscribers, guys, at the making of this video. Come on, guys, we're almost there. One more subscriber to hit 100 subscribers. So when this video comes out, maybe we'll have 100 subscribers, but right now, while I'm making this video, we're at 99 subs, guys. Definitely turn on post notifications, subscribe down below, and yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Peace.